Hello, and welcome to the Core Fundamentals tutorial. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java lets you application developers write once and run anywhere. Compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without having to recompile the code. This means that Java can easily run on multiple operating system platforms, such as Windows, Mac, and Linux, without requiring any extra configurations. Java shares similarities with other object-oriented programming languages, such as C++ and C#. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in use according to GitHub, and according to Oracle, particularly for client-server web applications, with a reported 9 million developers. As of 2021, billions of devices run on Java. Some examples of what Java can be used for include database connectivity, desktop applications, enterprise applications, mobile applications, smart devices, video games, web applications, and web and application servers.